Hey everyone, welcome back to My Best Athlete. Are you ready to supercharge your fitness routine and boost your productivity? In today's video, we're diving into the world of fitness challenges. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, there's a challenge for you. Stick around because I'll share my top strategies to keep you motivated and productive every step of the way. Imagine transforming your body and mind with just a few minutes a day. Fitness challenges not only help you get fit, but also sharpen your focus, boost your energy levels, and increase your overall productivity. Sounds good, right? Let's jump right in. Segment 1. Types of Julia. First up, let's explore some popular types of fitness challenges you can try. 30-day challenges. These are fantastic for building habits. Pick a focus like core strength or flexibility and commit to it every day for a month. Home workout challenges, perfect for those with busy schedules. You can do these anytime, anywhere, using just your body weight. Step challenges. Use a fitness tracker to challenge yourself to hit a certain number of steps daily. It's a fun way to get moving. Team challenges. Grab your friends and create a friendly competition. Accountability is key. Segment 2. Beneficence of new challenges. Now, why should you participate in these challenges? Motivation and accountability. When you share your goals with others, you're more likely to stick to them. Variety. Challenges encourage you to try new workouts, preventing boredom. Community support. Joining a group or online community can provide incredible encouragement and tips. Boosted productivity. Regular physical activity enhances your focus and energy levels, making you more productive in all areas of life. Segment 3. Strategies for success. Here are my top strategies to ensure your fitness challenges are a success. Set realistic goals. Start small and gradually increase your intensity. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to log your workouts and improvements. Find a workout buddy. Partnering with someone can keep you accountable and make workouts more enjoyable. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself when you hit a goal, no matter how small. It keeps the motivation high. So there you have it. Fitness challenges are not just a fun way to get in shape, they can also boost your productivity and keep you accountable. I challenge you to pick one type of challenge and stick with it for a month. Don't forget to comment below on which challenge you choose. I'd love to hear your plans, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay fit and stay focused. wafocus.co